Hello everyone, welcome to Stenographers. I am back with another legal dictation of a pre-decided case at 100 words per minute. बट इस डिक्टेशन में जो वर्ड्स हैं थोड़े डिफिकल्ट हैं, थोड़े बड़े बड़े वर्ड्स हैं, जिसकी वजह से आपको लगेगा कि ये 100 से ज़्यादा की स्पीड पर है. बट ट्रस्ट मी, द एक्यूरेट स्पीड ऑफ दिस डिक्टेशन इज 98 वर्ड्स पर मिनट. तो 100 से भी कम की स्पीड है. बट कोई बात नहीं, अगर नहीं लिखा जाता है तो आप इसको रिपीट कीजिए, बार बार प्रैक्टिस कीजिए और ये एग्ज़ाम में काफ़ी हेल्प मिलेगी आपको इन नए वर्ड्स की वजह से. सो रेडी प्लीज. Brief facts as per complaint filed that on 22/5/2013, IOSI Rupesh Kumar received a secret information that one Nigerian man along with a lady indulging in illegal trafficking of supply of heroin in Paharganj area near railway station. The superintendent directed to develop the information and mount the surveillance. Thereafter, on 25/5/2013, another secret information presented by IO Rupesh Kumar to superintendent that one Nigerian, namely James Pascal, along with lady namely Monica at Kajal will come between 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. near Sri Lanka Buddhist Pilgrim Center opposite a railway reservation building, Paharganj, Delhi, to deliver heroin, and if a raid is conducted, huge quantity of heroin may be recovered. Pursuant to his direction, a raiding team was prepared consisting of IO Rupesh Kumar, IO Sarita Kataria, IO Vikas Yadav and Sepoy Ved Prakash, who all left the NCB office at about 16:10 hours in government vehicle with field testing kit and all other accessories. At Paharganj, IO met Azad Singh, IO, and Pradeep Kumar, IO, who were already on surveillance in said area. IO Rupesh Kumar also joined Shakil and Mohammad Ahmed as independent witnesses. Thereafter, at around 8:50 p.m., one Nigerian along with one lady came near Sri Lanka Buddhist Center on foot. The lady was carrying the greenish colored suitcase make Japan Express, and when they tried to leave, NCB intercepted and accused were disclosed about the secret information. Both accused revealed their names and addresses. Notices under Section 50 NDPS Act were given to both the accused persons. However, they declined to be searched before gazetted officer magistrate. Nothing recovered from their personal search. Accused Monica at Kajal told that the suitcase she was holding was that of accused James Pascal. On opening the suitcase, 5 transparent polythene filled with off-white powdery substance was recovered. On opening the said polythene, separate tests were conducted which gave positive result for heroin. However, as the contraband having same color, texture and property, whole quantity of heroin was mixed homogeneously and transferred in white transparent polythene and weighed around 5 kg. Thereafter, samples of 5 gram each were taken. Test memos were prepared. The Panchnama was also prepared and whole proceedings were completed by 11:45 p.m. During investigation, notices under Section 67 NDPS Act were issued to both the accused persons. The entire case property along with test memo were deposited in Malkhana and seal was returned to Superintendent Shri R.K. Singh. after recording statements under Section 67 NDPS Act of both the accused persons, they were arrested and personal search memo were prepared. Report under Section 57 NDPS Act regarding arrest was submitted to Superintendent. Both the accused persons were medically examined and thereafter produced before concerned court. The statement of independent witnesses Muhammad Ahmad and Shakil under Section 67 were recorded on 4/6/2013. As per CRCL report, heroin was detected with purity percentage of 0.8%. Accused James Pascal made an application before the court stating his name as Nick Pascal Ford. However, no data was found regarding this accused from FRRO. Accused also failed to give his passport details on interrogation in jail.